Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So this video will be my after dark, cleaning. So it's almost like midnight right now, but I still wanted to get this kitchen clean because that's the main, area that needs to be clean right now. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But before I get too far into this video, I would like to say hello to any new subscribers that I may have. I noticed that I gained a few more subscribers since my last upload, and I want to welcome y'all to the channel. I thank y'all for stopping by and showing me some support, and I also want to thank my old subscribers for sticking around and supporting me. So I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of talking in this video. I just want to put on some relaxing music for y'all and get this kitchen clean. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna be doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So these are just some brownies we had left over from earlier. Trying to fit all of them in this tiny bowl. Hopefully they all fit so I can put a lid on it and put these away. So y'all, I have really been enjoying my dishwasher. Like, I really appreciate having a dishwasher because y'all, this thing is super convenient. It's definitely been a game changer, and it has saved me like so much time and energy. Like, I'm used to hand washing my dishes. I never had a dishwasher, so I have always hand washed, my dishes. But it's just something about, being able to throw the dishes in the dishwasher and go on about your business. Like, it's just been the best thing, and I have been taking full advantage of it because we use this thing like every day. And sometimes I catch myself, just looking for something to put in the dishwasher. So that's how much I just been, enjoying, using it. But like I said, I always hand wash. I never mind hand washing, my dishes. But what used to get me was walking into a kitchen with a bunch of dishes piled high in the sink. Like, that always used to ruin my mood. It always used to put me in a bad mood. But seeing dishes, piled high in the sink or across the counter, like. But now we can, minimize that by just putting the dirty dishes, in the dishwasher as we go. And once they get, once the dishwasher get full or even halfway full, then I'll run it. And but I just wanted to throw that out there. But what do y'all be doing? Do y'all enjoy y'all dishwasher like that? Do you prefer to still hand wash, or do you use it half and half? Do you hand wash and use your dishwasher? But I still use, I still hand wash for small stuff or stuff that don't go in the dishwasher. But if it can go in the dishwasher, then that's where it's going. But I just been enjoying it. Places, my places, your place, my place, your place, my place. Just face it, no one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place
baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place. Let's face it, baby. You know all the places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I made you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby.
So y'all, that's all I have for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before you leave. So that's pretty much it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.
Trying to block